One of the most significant capabilities of the Marine Corps is projecting combat power over great distances. As you can see, the assault support aircraft will stay near the tanker, ensuring that they will have enough fuel to support the ground Marines when called upon by the mission commander. Once again, from the left, you will see a